Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Checkbox, icon, font awesome and more. Let's start coding. For starting our project, I want to show what we will do. We will create a responsive menu. Let me show the meaning of the responsive menu. You see guys that icon has changed. When you click the menu and that menu disappears. And when you make it wider, we see our menu normal. It means when we open our web page on our tablet or mobile phone, we see menu like this. Let's start our project. Let me create our project folder first. Responsive menu. And let's create our index file. Index.html and our CSS file. Style.css. Let's create our index content, responsive menu, and connect our style file, link file, CSS, and save it. Let's run our server. Let's create our navigation area. Now tag, label, plus my logo and my logo, UL and li and a tag. Let's copy and paste couple of more. Services, about, and contact. And let's save it. As you see, we just see our text on our page. Let's start assigning CSS to our project. I want to add some general CSS to our project. Heading 0 and margin 0. And list style none and text decoration none. As you remember, text decoration is removing underline and list style is removing dot sign. And let's assign another CSS to body, font family. Verdana is great for our project. Let's assign CSS to our navigation tag now and background color and height 85 pixels and width 100 and save it. You see guys, our navigation area is getting ready. Let's assign CSS to our logo. Label my logo. I am typing like this because my logo class under label. As you see guys, label and my CSS. Color white and font size 35 pixels. And let's assign heading 100 pixels and font weight bold and line height 80 pixels and save it. You see guys, let's assign CSS to UL area. Now UL float right and margin right 20 pixels. I want my menu show up at right side with 20 pixel margin. Let's assign CSS to li. Now UL and li. Let me show UL and li one more time. Our UL tag and our li tag. Display inline block and save it. You see our menu inline. Line height, I want to give the same line height 80 pixel and margin 0.5 pixel and save it. Now time to assign CSS to a tag. Now UL, li and a. Color white. Font size 15 pixel. Heading 8 pixel. 12 pixel. Border radius 6 pixel. And text transform uppercase. And let's save it. Let's make it wider. You see guys, our menu is getting ready. Let's add hover effect. A hover and background color RGB and transition 0.4. You see guys, our hover effect is also ready. I also want to show an active CSS. A.active background color RGB same and transition 0.4. As you see, nothing has changed because we haven't assigned our active CSS to our project. Let me show it to you guys. Class active and save it. You see guys, when the class active, that background is appear. We already touched active class in our HTML tutorials. If you wish, you can have a look at it, that tutorial. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.